It's really stringy, so I really enjoying doing this one. Okay, flash here for 30 seconds.
Okay, so these are the first two. The other one way up top.
This first two, super cute. Do we have a blue? Do we have a blue? I'm looking for blue bear.
Bear?
Yeah, blue.
You have green. Well, you're gonna have to dig through it, maybe.
Ah, this too is cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do precision glue shortly. Maybe I should do that. Okay, so cute. I'm going to using condensed glue gel. Can you put this one just a second away? Thank you. Then this one I'm gonna do a drunken scale for you. Hey Ali. Thanks so much for tuning in. So I'm going to using condensed glue gel for all of you who just tuning in to our live stream. Welcome to a Glitz Subscription and such live tutorial. So I'm gonna just knead just a little bit. Really thick density, you can see. So if you're seeing this is the white liner and the other one's in the black liner, so it the same, just different look inside. If you pay attention on a lot of my videos, I'm using a black I think liner, the jars. No, the line, the still black, but then it's line, its inner is inside is black, so it look different, but they are same. I think one is close that one. Sassy Beach. Oh my god, I love that name, Slide Fast. Okay, no white top coat. Wait a minute. It's just a fur. What is that?
Fur? With a hair on it?
Fur like that. Okay. Don't worry, just floating the top coat on. I just took that off using my tweezers. And here you go, my dragon scale. I love it. It doesn't have to be next to each other. You can be is like randomly. And what do I have? A green? No, I need the blue though. Can I get the blue?
Blue what?
Blue opal? Right there. Right there. Thank you. Sorry. All of a sudden, I change whole entire my life plans. And I'm so obsessed with this and so fun. I'm looking for fun things for all of you. Okay, here you go. Sorry. Ta-da! You want anything else?
Actually, that's cute by itself.
By itself?
Maybe like a magic charm up in the corner. But since you're doing wave, there's a wheel thing.
I already have a wheel on it. Oh, here. I have a whole entire charm different one for it. But I changed my mind. The seahorse. Can you grab me some of the smaller one?
Like what?
The shells right there, from right there. Can I get that, please?
Hold on.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
No, yes, that's high.
Huh? Oh, I like that, everyone. So, if you don't like it, I still love all of you. Because you know why? Because without every single of you, we wouldn't be here. So we really appreciate you all. Yours with us from like thick to thin. So many different live stream, and I'm so enjoying with you. I'm trying to find the tiniest on earth, and it's not here. There's a something in here. I've been using a lot of them, so just don't mind me. Okay, I couldn't find no more. Do I have any more? It must be another. Can you look in the other one? This one right here.
Shell?
Yeah, the shells. Get me more shells, please, and thank you.
No, this is some
Spontaneous. The second one.
Mm-hmm.
The second.
Just a second. See if you can find that.
The second one.
Chandelier.
I have a different plan for this, and then now it turned out different way. That's okay. I'm really enjoying it. Fun to get to be creative. Oh, okay, hold on. I found the starfish. The smaller one. Seahorse. Alright. Oh, this one is so much fun. There's so many things in here. Oh. Can you put it in the tray? Please, I have a hard time to see that. So if before I put any of charms and chains on, I mean the stuff on, if you don't want it, your clients just don't want any of this charms on, you can absolutely just cure it and you are good to go. But if your clients like me just want more on the nails, something is missing. Okay. I am feeling all of the beads along with. The short nails. I think. Hold on, sorry. Close them. Very cool. I want to dress her up like really around here. This one needs a little bit space and just one smaller crystal in there. Great. This is like too extra. Alright. I think I'm good with this. Just a lot of fun going on. I don't know what's gonna be like. Great. So here for 60 seconds on this one.